Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Bel Mariano palaging trending because of positive traction, not for clout. Nasa bakasyon pa rin hanggang ngayon si Bel Mariano kasamang kanyang pamilya at syempre marami ngang mga naglalabas ng mga larawan ni Bel na ipinost nga sa social media at isa lang ang kanilang sinasabi. Super pretty, napakabait at sobrang approachable. Kita-kita naman kasi na kahit napakainit ng panahon ay kumikinang pa rin ang ganda ni Belle. Kaya naman ay palagi itong pinag-uusapan. Halos nga everyday ay trending si Bel Mariano na kahit walang TP galing sa kanyang mga fans ay kusang nagtitrending ito. Ayon nga dito sa chat PGT, palagi umanong trending si Belle even without cloud chasing. Number 1, strong loyal fanbase. May solid organic support. Belle has a very dedicated fandom, especially the Don Bell supporters with Donnie Pangilinan. Fans actively trend hashtag, stream content, and support every appearance. This creates consistent online buzz even without controversy. Number 2, continuous projects equals constant visibility. Belle's active in TV dramas, movies, music releases. At every new projects equals automatic trending topic. Number 3, Girl Next Door. Image, relatable, and likeable. Kilala si Belle for being humble, soft-spoken, and low-key. People find her genuine and refreshing, especially compared to more controversial personalities. Number 4, love team culture, huge in Philippines. Belle being paired with Donnie, ang hashtag DonBelle is a major driver of trends. Their chemistry, interactions, even small ones go viral. Love teams in the Philippines can trend daily without any drama. Number 5, multi-talented appeal. Di lang artista si Belle, isa din siyang singer, performer, at host. This gives her multiple audiences sa TV and music. Bel Mariano trends because of positive traction, not for clout. Ang strong fandom, consistent project, clean image, love team power. No need for controversy. In short, Belle's trends because people wants to talk about her, not because she tries to force attention. Kayo mga ka-trending, anong opinion nyo at reaction nyo tungkol dito? Comment na. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood.